Iwo. Papa, panganak kan kena papa? Kan kena nak?
Okay, so that part you take out and you put in mixed with coconut.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about this one? All this?
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll find out. So here's the coconut being prepared and we'll see what happens soon. It's all a mystery to me. There's your shredded coconut and this little, what is that? Seed, eggs.
Yeah, eggs and the pot. Don't let them.
Well, they're small crabs, but if you get enough of them, you can do something.
Onion and salt and ginger.
Onion, ginger and salt added.
Seasoning.
Seasoning, magic syrup, which is probably monosodium glutamate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wow, cái sun.
Yes. Okay, so we need the body, the carapace, the top of the shell, upside down here. He's stuffing all this into it. All right. And then he's putting it back where it came from, except this time it's chock-a-block with stuff. Now, what are you going to do with that?
Yeah, Thai.
Tie?
Yeah,
Okay, just wait a moment. We're going to get... So there it is. He's just going to have to tie back that top because it's really stuffed full of the stuff he made, the coconut stuff. Here we go. Look, banana leaves. Thank you. Oh no! Well, they're getting the banana leaves. I'm keeping the flies off. That's my job. Just keeping the flies off, mate. No flies on me.
Hello.
Okay, there's the little bits of banana leaf all ready for tying, the tying process. Okay. I'm not filming your face, don't worry.
like this.
All natural ingredients. This little girl's bugging me here with this. Look at that.
Dong, where's the frying pan?
So there you go, all ready to boil.
Daon.
Daon nga sobra.
He's got some leftovers here. I think he's going to
banana.
cook in a banana leaf. But there's the, yeah. So we'll wait till he starts cooking and I'll start filming again. Awesome. So here we are, getting the microwave ready. Wow. Why are you heating the banana leaf?
Because you don't hit. Not strong.
Oh, make it soft. Okay. I see. Add water.
Then add more salt.
More what?
Salt.
Okay. Salt. Mm.
Okay.
And now?
You put in.
Okay, there it goes. Look at that. Wow.
Put cover.
Cover, okay. Right, we'll come back later and check. Okay, success.
Yeah.
They've turned red, like all good crabs do.
Yeah.
It's a soft shell one, that one.
Wanna try?
No, thank you. I'll watch you try though.
Kanay mo doon. Magpayin mo ang kakagtuluto.
Looks good enough to eat, Wilson.
Hmm?
Looks good.
Yeah.
Good job.
You try.
So how do you, okay, open him up.
Patay.
Let's see, okay.
Hindi naman ka. Tumatunga. Wala, bubang
Hot, yep. And there you go. And eat that and eat the coconut as well, together, both.
Pila, mama?
And there we have it.
Kaon ka daw?
That's all your coconut stuff and ginger and garlic and onion and that's the meat, crab meat.